Alright, we're gonna go ahead and make some pumpkin soup today because it's a soup kind of day. So I always like to cut my pumpkins and such on a cloth so they aren't rolling around. Put some effort into this. One of the easiest ways to get the seeds out is with a grapefruit spoon. You can see the notched edges over here. So scoop it out. I'm not going to peel this right now. I'm going to let it go. And if the skin doesn't soften up, I'll peel it after I've roasted it. We're going to throw this into the oven. So easy. All right, let's throw the garlic on. We're going to put the onions, some olive oil. And then I'm going to put everything face down. Yum. Let's sprinkle a little bit of salt, actually. Turn it all over. And we're going to throw this into the oven about 350 degrees or 200 Celsius for about 40 minutes. You want everything to get nice and caramelized and roasted. We're going to go ahead and squish the garlic into the Vitamix. And make sure you don't get any skin in there. We're going to put the onion without the peel. You don't want the skin in there. It does not taste good. But you can just smell all the delicious roastiness of everything. And yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and use the skin, the charred skin. I'm going to take off the stem. It's pretty soft. And yeah, I've never used this pumpkin before, but it never stops me. And it is tender and nice. So we're going to add water to this. About 1 cup. I like a nice thick soup. So we'll add a little bit of cashew cream in later to give that rich, creamy feel, which winter nights really require. We're going to put in some black pepper, a little bit of black pepper, and yes, we are going to add a little bit of red pepper too, because just a little bit, not too much. We're going to throw in some harissa seasoning. I just picked this up from Whole Foods, whatever brand you like works. We're going to throw some of this in because it's delicious and just adds that oomph. All right, we're going to blend this up and throw it into the pot. We're going to turn on the heat. I think I'm going to have to add a little bit more salt, but that is correct. So we're going to do that sweet heat thing with this. And I'm going to add a little bit of brown sugar or jaggery or coconut sugar or maple syrup even. So any way that you want to add your sweetness is fine. Nice. Luscious. All right. About 2 spoons of jaggery. You don't want it overly sweet. You just want to add that little bit of taste, sweetness. Give it that balance. I'm going to add a little bit more water because it's going to cook down a little bit. And then for that creaminess, we're going to go ahead and put the cashew milk in. All right, let's see what we got here. Smells delicious. Yes. Very nice. Oh, yep. Right, I'm gonna have to taste once more. Let's put this on low and let it cook. Okay. So a nice clunk of cashew milk. So we're just gonna let this sit on low and just simmer and get extra yummy. We're gonna serve it with some crushed pistachios and fresh rye bread.